What's up, guys? My name is Seth. I own a small mobile mechanic business in Florida called Swift Fix Automotive, and I just figured I'd start a YouTube series on the Miata because she needs some serious love. It's kind of motivation for me as well to just get started on getting this car situated again. It's a 1995 Miata with a 1.8 liter bored to a 1.9. It's got Manley rods, Wiseco pistons, 8.5 to 1 compression, billet boundary oil pump, RX-8 injectors, titanium retainers, upgraded valve spring. The whole motor's pretty much built. Should be good for about 550 to the wheel. Running the MS PNP2 Pro from Megasquirt. Got a cheap eBay turbo on this bad boy. The car is pretty much, front to back modified. Everything has been touched. It's got some stock stuff as far as the suspension goes and some of the drivetrain. But poured a lot of money into this. I've had this for probably 5 or 6 years now. And I think it's time, man. A little backstory. I've been using this as my work truck for the business. It's kind of ridiculous, but got all my diagnostic stuff in here, jacks, everything you can think of, wiring tools, compression testers, etc. And then in here I got all my sockets and breaker bars and fluids, cleaning stuff, fuses, more wires, everything that you need to do engine swaps on the side of the road. And basically where I'm at with this car is it leaks oil, stuff's coming loose all the time. I've had to replace the drive shaft, vacuum line to my map sensor, had to swap turbos, so certain stuff like this isn't fitting right. It works, it's sealed, but it just looks janky. Intercooler piping is rubbed raw at the top. AC compressor, yes, I kept my AC, but the compressor exploded, locked up, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm not running power steering or AC. It's just ugly. Oil's everywhere. Front main seal's leaking. This stuff's just ridiculous. I built this probably 3 or 4 years ago in the span of like a week, and it's catching up to me. It needs some serious love. So this series is going to be, look at the soft top, horrible. Anyways, this series, the purpose of it is just to get this thing dialed in, man, and I want y'all's help deciding on what routes we're gonna go. Part of me wants to scrap the entire build and just slap a LS in it, maybe pro charge it. But the other part of me just wants to perfect what I've been, this was my dream build once upon a time, but it never was perfect. So it's like, clean it up, reseal the motor, do everything right, take my time, repaint stuff, or just scrap it, start over. I don't know. But right now, Butt Dyno says we're probably making 275, 300 to the wheel, pushing 15 pounds of boost on a decent sized turbo. Trying to think of what else I could talk about. Had to replace the drive shaft last week. Today I did some vacuum lines. The bracket that holds the power steering pump came loose while I was driving the other day. All kinds of janky stuff, man. We need to get this thing right. But yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe. There will be a lot of videos on this car one day, hopefully soon. Motor and Trans is coming out. We're gonna do some cool stuff.